Okay guys, so today we are going to talk about something very important in lexical analysis, and that is regex symbols. Regex stands for regular expressions. Basically, it's like a set of rules or patterns we write to recognize pieces of text. In lexical analysis, we use regex to identify things like numbers, identifiers, keywords, and so on. Alright, let's start with the basic symbols. So the first one is square brackets. When we write something inside square brackets, it means we want to match any one character from inside those brackets. For example, if we write ABC inside square brackets, this will match either A or B or C. But remember, it won't match all together. It will only match one at a time. Now, if we put a dash inside brackets, it's used to define a range. For example, inside square brackets 0-9, this means any digit from 0 to 9. Instead of writing inside square brackets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we can just write inside square bracket 0 to 9, much shorter and cleaner. Okay, next is plus sign. The plus means that the previous pattern must appear at least once. For example, if we write inside square bracket 0-9 then plus, this will match numbers like 5, 1, 2, 3, or even 007. Basically one digit, two digits, or many digits, but it won't match an empty string because plus means one or more. Then the star symbol is kind of similar but a little different. The star means the previous pattern can appear 0 or more times. So inside A dash Z star can match an empty string, or it can match something like hello, ABCDE, or any sequence of lowercase letters. So the difference is plus means at least one, but star means it can also be 0. Then we have a dot. The dot is like a wildcard. It matches any single character except for a new line. So dot can match A1 or hash, anything really. Very powerful, but be careful with it because it can match too much sometimes. Then caret or negations or negates, we can say. Then the next one is caret, actually I'm talking about. Okay, if we write negation, that means not. For example, negation inside the square bracket, then we are writing 0-9, it will match any character that is not a digit, so letters, symbols, anything except numbers. Then we have the question mark. This means the previous pattern is optional. It can appear once or not at all. For example, 0 to 9 inside the square bracket and outside the question, and outside the curly bracket is question mark. This will either match nothing or it will match a single digit like 5 or 6 or stuff like that. So question mark is basically means maybe once or maybe 0 times. Then parentheses are used for grouping. If I write parentheses inside parentheses AB, that will match just AB, but the cool part is we can combine it with quantifiers. Okay, for example, if we write AB inside parentheses, then outside we will write plus, that will match AB, 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 or AB, 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 or so on. if I use AB star, it will match empty or AB or ABAB and so on. So parentheses are really just for grouping expressions together so that we can repeat them or apply rules to them as a whole. Then finally we have the pipe symbol. This is like or. So if I write A or B, it will match either A or B. It's just like saying choose one between these two. And that's basically it. These are the most common regex symbols, and once you get comfortable with them, writing regex for lexical analysis becomes a lot easier.